882 Laminated Glass. Cutting Guide. Tools needed: tapes, T-shaped glass cutter, glass breaking nippers, alcohol and safety gloves. Step 1. According to the required glass size, use measuring tapes to determine the cutting position, and then adjust the T-shaped glass cutter to reach the designated position. Step 2. Push the T-shaped glass cutter to cut the glass. Step 3. On one side of the glass, use heavy glass breaking nippers to apply pressure along the cutting line to separate the glass. And then perform the same operation on the other side of the glass. Step 4. Flip the glass over and use the T-shaped glass cutter to cut the other side of the glass along the same cutting line. Step 5. Similarly, use glass breaking nippers to separate the glass along the cutting line. Step 6. Finally, pour alcohol along the cutting line, and then forcefully break the glass apart.